Can I use Incognito Mode on my phone?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a feature that's really useful when you want to browse privately on your phone. It's called Incognito Mode. By the end of this video, you will be able to turn on and use this mode on your smartphone with confidence.
What is Incognito Mode?
Incognito Mode, also known as private browsing, is a setting in many web browsers that lets you browse the internet without storing local data that could potentially be retrieved later. This means your browsing history, cookies, site data, and input information will not be saved on your device. But remember, Incognito Mode doesn't make you invisible online. Your internet service provider, ISP, employer, or the sites you visit may still track your activity.
Can I use Incognito Mode on my phone?
Absolutely. Incognito Mode is available on most modern smartphones, irrespective of whether you're using Android or iOS. It can be accessed through your browser app, like Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Let's see how to enable it.
How to enable Incognito Mode on your phone?
For Google Chrome on Android or iOS, 1. Open the Chrome app on your phone. 2. At the top right, tap the More icon, 3 dots or 3 lines. 3. Tap New Incognito tab. A new window will open, and you're in Incognito Mode. For Safari on iOS, 1. Open the Safari app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Tap the tabs icon, looks like 2 overlapping squares, at the bottom right. 3. Tap Private, then tap Plus. You're now in private browsing mode. For Firefox on Android or iOS, 1. Open the Firefox app on your phone. 2. Tap the tabs icon, looks like a square with a number in it. 3. Tap Private, then tap Plus. You're now in private browsing mode. Remember, to exit the incognito or private browsing, just close all the incognito or private tabs. So there you have it. Now you know how to use Incognito Mode on your smartphone. It's an easy and effective way to keep your browsing private from others who may use your device. However, always remember that it doesn't provide complete privacy or security online. Make sure you're aware of the limitations. Hope this video has been helpful and happy private browsing.